Hi guys, and welcome to a new short Word tutorial, and today I will show you how to quickly create a table of contents. In the first step, the headlines, which should be visible later in the table of contents, must be marked with the word styles. To do this, click inside the heading and then go to the ribbon Home, and here in the Styles section we select heading 1 or heading 2. We go through our whole document and assign the styles. And then in the second step, when all headings are correctly marked, we can insert a table of contents. To do this, click with the cursor at a desired position and select References, Table of Contents, and here Automatic Table. And now our table of contents is created. That's it. That's how easy and fast you can create an automatic table of contents in Word, and I hope I could teach you something with it. See you later. Bye.